Hello and welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a Volkswagen T5.1 2015 that we've installed a KENWOOD DMX 8021 DABS. So that's what the radio looks like in the car with the flush fascia. A couple of features of this radio is it is an AM/FM radio, DAB, Bluetooth streaming, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you can choose certain radios, your FM. In addition, it does Android Auto, like I said earlier, with the Apple CarPlay, and also we've put a reversing camera on and also retained the factory parking information, so if somebody went to the back of the vehicle, it'll retain the factory information. For more information on upgrading your Volkswagen Transporter or any vehicle, please email sourcesounds.com or call 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.